Hi guys, today I'm going to show you these Belleone light bulbs which are fitting for a lot of different brands, appliances like LG, Frigidaire, Kenmore, Whirlpool, GE and many more. And so these lights came nicely packaged, nicely protected with some bubble wrap here as a 2-pack inside here. It's a standard E17 base, has 30 watts and works for up to 125 volts. And of course it does not only work for different brands, it works also for different appliances like refrigerator, oven, range hood, also microwave of course. What we have to know, it's not an LED, it's normal standard light bulb. But on the other hand, we get a real high quality light with 3000 Kelvin, very warm light. And so of course you don't want to just hear me talking about this light bulb, you also want to see it in real life actions. And so it fits nicely into this standard E17 socket, definitely no problem. And so let's plug it in so you can see this light. I have to touch it here, of course, because it's getting warm. That's how this works with normal standard light bulbs. But we definitely have a very nice, beautiful, steady light. It's not flickering. I really like how this looks. And so I've turned down the light here in this room. So I would say 95% of it is coming just from these very small light bulbs. You can see how bright this really is. Yeah, absolutely awesome, I would say. Really nice, steady, beautiful, no flickering, no problem at all. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this light bulb, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.